Okay, this is some fucked up shit right here. This is some messed up shit right here. What? What? Like, y'all were not blowing our minds off already? Something new. Yo, welcome back to another reaction. Okay, like, I've been doing some reactions today, so I'm kind of like hyped. I'm hyped. They be hyping me up. They be hyping me up. But anyways, now I've kind of like cooled it down because I had to cool down for this reaction. Okay, like a lot of y'all fucking told me that if I react to this performance, I need to fucking prepare myself. Okay, I need to get in this right state of mind for what I'm about to see. So I've taken measures, guys. Okay, because I don't want anything to happen, because people told me I'm gonna die. People just told me a lot of shit, so I've taken measures. Okay, so I have my water right here just in case I feel my throat getting dry. I got water, check. Also, I fucking like put on my emergency number, speed dial. I've told them that if I call them, then they know what to do. It's about to fucking go down. Okay, I've got ice, I've got everything. Like, I've got like pills, headache, like I've fucking prepared myself for this. Okay, guys, I prepared myself, like, because y'all told me it's fucking extreme. It is extreme. Okay, so I don't want anything. I don't want to black out while I'm doing this reaction. Okay, like I don't want anything to happen. Okay, so let us get right into it.
Lonely nights, 내일 오는 날 막을 수 없는 새벽 이 파도 소리에
Okay, guys, the devil is a fucking liar. Okay. What kind of fucking devilish temptation is this? What? Okay, you know what, I need to take a quick sip right here because yeah. What the heck? What the heck? The beginning of this thing. Devil. What? Okay, guys, I understand now. I mean, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys, my heart is fucking beating. My heart is about to fucking leap out of my chest right now. What the fuck? Okay, like I'm lost for words. I'm lost for words. This is pure temptation. What the heck? Okay, like my lady parts are doing shit right now. Y'all probably do not want to hear all of that, but like, what EXO? I was not ready. No, guys, I thought I prepared myself. I wasn't ready. I seriously was not ready. You know how I feel like right now? I feel like the same way I felt when I reacted to Timing, but Timing was kind of like 100, but like it's like somewhere there. What?
I hear you, I feel you. 벌써가 없어도 날들을 숲이 있어. 유익한 곳사 이 세상 모든 소리 중에 널 찾아내면 내가
Guys, I'm even afraid to fucking move because I don't want to miss anything. I I seriously do not want to miss anything. Like, I feel like if I just like turn my eye like on another direction, I'm gonna miss something. Like, what? Damn. Okay, you know what, guys? If I were to die right now, I would fucking die happy. Seriously. Guys, oh my gosh, guys, like, what the fuck? I just cannot. I cannot deal. Like, would I be wrong to take a break right now? But then again, I want to finish. I want to watch. Like, what? Oh, okay. Deep breaths. Okay. Yes, Dio. Yes. Okay. Yes, guys. And this song is fucking. You know what this song is taking me to? You know those like nightclubs where you just be seeing people who fucking half naked and you be asking yourself that, are these people dancing or are they doing it? Like, it's taking me right fucking there. Oh my gosh, guys, what the fuck? What the actual fuck? Oh my gosh, I cannot, guys. Like, even their outfits, the fucking outfits are so simple but so seductive and tempting, and just like, I want to rip it off. Like, what? Oh my gosh, guys, what the, I just cannot. I just what?
혼자서 물어보는 너의 후 현저만 떠난 후 날 서쳐간 손들 속에 혹시나 지나칠지 모르게 미한 손끝까지 이 바람은 왠지 널 지나쳐왔을지.
Yes, channel. Yes, channel. Like, y'all better fucking go check my guide to channel. Okay, I will leave it up in the cards for you guys. Like, go check it out because he's fucking dope. Also, go check out the guide to Sehun. Sehun. Like, he's fucking lit also, okay? Go check out that guy. We'll also link it up in the cards. I am definitely that somebody. Guys, I need to fucking get into this whole reacting to their live performances, because what Guys, these people be sex on legs. Like when people be talking about people that sex on legs, they are sex on legs on this fucking performance, like this video. Like what guys, oh my gosh, I feel like if I was there I would have fainted, guys. Like what, like it's fucking killing me, and I'm watching it on the fucking screen months later. Imagine if I was there live. What, dude, like I would have fucking passed out and missed the rest of the show. Guys, Kai, like Kai does something to me. Like I know I just said all of them are sex on legs, but Kai is sex, he's everything. He's like dirty fucking on legs, okay? Like I know I'm being explicit right now, but like I just had to say. They are so cute though. Oh my gosh, guys. And this is so fucking, like, they just started with all this fucking temptation and now they're just going all cute. Like what? Y'all are fucking not preparing us for this. Yo guys, like I know that I haven't reacted to all the EXO members. As I said, there's a lot of them, guys, and there's a lot of these guides, okay? So y'all please be patient with me. I will do those guides, okay? And y'all better fucking show them love, okay? Watch those videos and like them, okay? But I will get to them. But like I was just gonna say, like EXO is just like also like they're so good. They're so fucking good, guys. Guys, did you see Kai? Did you see the close up on Kai? Like Kai be on the some shit. Like what? Oh gosh, these people just fucking kill me. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, you know what? I wasn't ready. And I don't know. If people tell me to be ready for stuff and I feel like I'm ready and I find out I'm not ready, how the fuck am I supposed to prepare myself for stuff? Like what the heck? How many singles, how many rappers does it have? Like, they're fucking dope. They're fucking amazing. Like, what? Guys, what the fuck? And also, guys, like, I did a reaction on Lay. Y'all better fucking go check it out. Also, I will leave it on the cards for you guys. Like, I just have to, guys. I just have to, like, let you know about what these people be doing. Like, what? Guys, Kai does something to me. Kai does something to me. Like if y'all have your favorite EXO member, let me know in the comment section. Let me know, because I love them all, but Kai, damn nigga, damn. 시간의 벽을 넘어 너를 찾아간다. 지금은 달라도 시작은 같았다. 아직 돌아갈 수 있다고 믿어. 지금 나가지고 초록색만 우리 거를 잰다. Guys, you know who Sehun looks like to me? Like, I think I've said this in my guide to Sehun, which I will leave also on the cards for you guys. He looks like if I were to do a James Bond, like an Asian version of James Bond, like Sehun would fucking, he would be my guy. He has the height, he fucking has the body for it, those fucking large shoulders, okay, I need a man who can fucking hold me, okay, like that strength, that face, like, guys, Sehun is just like, okay. Playboy. Oh my gosh, guys, can we just, can I just admire for a sec? Like, I'm not asking for a lot, like, oh my gosh, Jesus. Oh my God, the smile. You know, guys, what would make this performance the greatest performance I've ever seen, live performance, is if one of these members does something that I always pray that I see in their music videos and I never really see, or maybe I get like a tease of it. Like, if one of them would do that, it would be the fucking best. It would be best. Damn guys, like, I don't know, like, EXO, I know y'all were fucking lit, were fucking shit, but now you're just like, I don't know, I seriously do not know, guys, like, and y'all know that I talk on my reaction videos, I literally don't have like anything that I don't say, like I don't keep anything from you guys. So like when it's situations like this, when I don't know what to say, I'm being fucking real. I'm being real. fucking grinding like that on stage? Like, what the fuck? Do these people understand the implications? Do they? Okay, you know what, guys, just give me a little bit of a break, because from that beat I just heard, it's about to fucking go down. They are fucking about to take me to a fucking nightclub. I'm gonna fucking dance my ass off and sweat and all do, like, damn. No, guys, there's no way this grinding is legal. Like, there is no way. Okay, like, do these people understand that they fucking got fans who are underage? Okay, fans who are fucking underage, because, like, what, and y'all are fucking grinding, y'all are fucking thrusting, like, explicit.
이게 나는 사랑이었다 비도 현실적이지 않던 없지만 이유 없이 번져갔어 노력할 만한 때문 많은 표면적인 너와 나의 관계 작용된 이상해진 너의 향기 왜곡된 감각과 불투명한 시대의 근교 시도나.
Okay, this song is giving me like it kind of like has that house beat to it. Like, if y'all don't know house music, then you fucking missing out. Okay, you are missing out. But it has that whole house music, deep music, that deep house music thing going on. Like, I know what I'm talking about, guys. Okay.
You got that.
It has that fast beat to it. Like, it's one of those songs where if you hear it in like a dark room with a lot of people and it's just pumping, like, your fucking heart beats to the beat. Okay, it's just like, oh, damn. Yes! Do it to me! What? Guys, okay, you know what, the aim of this fucking performance was to fucking have girls fall in love with them, okay, which I have done. Like, I already love them, but I'm obsessed right now. Like, what, EXO? What? This is... I was not ready. That's why I don't know what to say, because I was fucking unprepared. Artificial love. Whoa. Banging. Banging.
Can't trust this. You
guys, you know what, name? I think this is probably the fucking danciest I've been in a long time, like in a very long time. Like even these like reactions I just did, I danced my fucking ass off, but like this right here, whoa, I feel like going out. It's getting me in that mood. It's one of those songs, just the entire thing, not only this song, one of those things that you have to listen to get yourself in that mood. Like if you're going out and you need to be in the mood to fucking club all night, 6 till 6, get yourself this, okay? Get yourself this. No, man, no. Okay, like I think I would be one of those girls who be like looking for how to get to the like backstage, guys. Like I'm so happy that they're not like the American singers, because American singers be like fucking, they would have like went like off stage and like fucked every chick they fucking met on that fucking audience. But like I'm happy they're not like that. I hope they're not like that. But like if they were like that, I would be the first girl. Okay, that's all I'm saying. I would have been the first girl. Guys, can we just quickly talk about how many people are in this thing? Like, these people are big. K-pop groups are fucking big. Just because they're not big in America or any other country, they're big where it matters. And that's their fucking countries or the countries around them. They're fucking big. Look at that. Look at, like, this the crowd you usually see when you get like Beyonce going on her world tour, or Nicki Minaj or Lady Gaga or Chris Brown. Like these people, like they fucking get crowds like that every time they fucking go out to perform. Okay, every fucking time. No guys, on a serious note, this beat right here is fucking wanting me to go out. Like I feel like going out, I feel like going clubbing, okay, sipping on some cool stuff, like fucking enjoying myself, getting a little bit high. I don't know, like it's just giving me that, like giving me that vibe. Woo. Guys, I'm hot. I am hot. I need to take this thing off because artificial love is fucking blowing my mind up. Like it's fucking getting me all sweaty. Like whoa, Like, I need a fan. I need someone to blow fucking air on me. Like, what the fuck? Damn. Damn. Okay. God damn, EXO. God damn. You did it again. You did it again. Okay. What? Okay, this is some fucked up shit right here. This is some messed up shit right here. What? What? Like, y'all were not blowing our minds off already? You just needed to, like, fucking splatter our brains everywhere? Like, I can't comprehend. Like, I feel like my brain cells have been reduced to, like, little shits. Like, like, what? Guys, you know what, ne? Even if they like not like doing it on like they're fucking amazing. Even though like maybe one of them is like a sec behind the other one, like they're fucking amazing. Like the coordination, that's what fucking matters. The coordination. You fucking remembered the moves, dude. You fucking remembered how, like, when to turn. Okay, which leg goes where, like, that fucking matters. Okay, like, I give them props for that. Like, not even props. Okay, something bigger than props. I don't know, but like, I give them that. Oh. Damn. Damn. Okay, guys, I was not ready. Can we seriously talk, guys? Like, I feel like this is about time that I just talk to my subbies. Okay, let's just talk, guys. Like, I love y'all. I love y'all. I love you a lot. Like, you guys are like my favorite people. Okay, like, that's why I be taking time to fucking talk to you guys, respond to each and every person's comment. And even though like I don't write anything on like your comment to me, but like it, that just shows that like I fucking read each and every comment that y'all post. I appreciate it. So now it's time that we just get on a personal level. Okay, guys, if you're gonna be leaving me if you're gonna be leaving me fucking suggestions like this, y'all better prepare me. Y'all better, I don't know, y'all better create a scenario so that I kind of like get what you're trying to tell me. Okay, because y'all did warn me, but I was like, y'all probably maybe extreme just like me, because y'all know that like I'm fucking extreme. Like, I be taking things to 100 when they are 50. So I was like, nah, maybe y'all are doing the same thing to me. But no, y'all fucking motherfucking serious. Y'all were like, Bungie, this is a fucking 100. It's a fucking 100, okay? Prepare yourself. I was like, nah, it's a 50. No, it's a fucking 100, okay? I came here with the 50 mentality when I should have fucking prepared myself for 150. That's what I should have done. Prepared myself for 150. So next time y'all fucking recommend something like this and try to warn me, I'm gonna believe you. and I'm gonna take it a step up and fucking like put in an extra 50 of belief. Just like, yeah. As I said, guys, I love the people who recommended that I do this. I really do. And I am going, guys, I'm gonna go through each and every comment and try to find the 2 subscribers, because I think it was 2 subscribers who recommended that I do this reaction. I'm gonna try and find y'all in the comments, and I'm gonna leave y'all's name on the screen because y'all deserve to be fucking recognized, okay? And I hope, guys, I find y'all names. I hope, I'm praying to the god of EXO. I don't even know if EXO has a god, but like I'm praying to the god of EXO that I found these people's names so that I can put them on the screen, because y'all fucking did something. Yeah, y'all just did something. Okay, and guys, I really did enjoy this reaction, so please, guys, so please show it love, guys. Like, y'all have been faithful, okay? So y'all are not gonna let me down in this fucking epic reaction I just did. Y'all are not gonna let me down. So yeah, guys, thumbs it up, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's keep the family growing. Y'all hold me down. Y'all hold a bitch down, okay? Y'all be on that faithful shit. Y'all are ride or die hard. Like y'all are those people. Y'all my people. Y'all my number ones. Y'all are my day ones, okay? You're all of that, okay? And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads from me. Like, you wanna catch it while it's fresh. You wanna catch it while it's fresh. Like, you know how they say, like they say the earliest bird catches the fresh worm, the first worm. Does it say that? It's somewhere there, okay? Something about birds early catching. Like, you wanna catch it while it's fresh, okay? While it's still like, you know what I mean. Like, y'all know what I'm saying. So turn on that bell, and I will see you guys on my next reaction video. Bye.